careful like you told me. Exactly what you told me.
This is taking too long.
Right.
Come on. Hey.
You crazy man.
Why is it on soft start? I gotta get rid of
What
that.
is mine again? Oh, my God.
Yeah, what? Before you start talking crap, make sure you're flying the right point.
Mine's in the front. Which one's Ray's? I can't tell.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Which one's right?
It all blends. They all blend in so well.
Here we go.
Move over, okay? Hey, only one pilot.
I'm standing back here.
Not good.
Alright, everybody.
Flaps up.
I see what we're doing here.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God! What the heck? Who's leading?
That was scary.
Dude, you're flying. Now I see where your son gets it from. I don't know where anybody's flying. God! What the heck is going on here? Ah! I don't know where anyone is. What the? Who is that? Keon?
The way we took off.
I don't know who's who.
Oh, I'm coming at you, boys.
Oh.
I'm coming at you.
Downwind low pass.
Downwind low pass. Let's go.
Wait.
Holy crap balls!
You're like, oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
I'm gonna right back there.
Low pass.
Oh my God, Ray!
I saw him.
I really thought that was it.
Oh my God, this is crazy!
Max, is there any thermals up there?
I'm doing a low pass. The opposite way.
This is crazy. What's wrong with you people?
Low pass.
Oh, Ray! I see the wings flexing on that thing.
Alright, low pass downwind.
That's upwind.
That's why I did it, because
Oh shit,
I knew you couldn't keep up.
Jesus Christ, Keon.
Whoa!
All right, who's doing what?
See those lights? Look at those lights.
Okay, I'm with that. Whoever that Havoc is going down.
The Havoc is going down is me.
Okay, I'm behind you.
Oh!
I see him.
Alright.
Ray, I see the wings getting a little,
They are.
a little droopy on
Yeah,
that thing.
because it's not.
It's not meant to do this.
Yeah, I love how Ray was the one complaining how he flied too hard when he used to be a hawk formation base.
I got a 5,000 in there for once.
Oh, is it 30?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I gotta land. I only have a 4,000.
I'm landing right now. Keon, does it downwind wind?
Hawk a Havoc craziness.
I'm landing too. Oh shit.
10,
Alright,
9,
I am landing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
What a plunker. That was a carrier landing.
I have plenty of the juice left. Hey, who's that?
Me and Ray now. No flap landing.
You get a good wheelie with no flaps. What?
That was mad.
Are you ready to land, Keon? Keon, are we landing or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
Okay, I'm landing too.
Down, landing flaps.
I'll be closest to us.
Ray wants to do a video.
I'm going closest to us, so do your thing. Make sure you're further out. Yeah,
1 minute over.
there you are. Stay in your lane.
Okay, you guys landed it better than I did. That's fine. I'll take that.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Flaps up.
That was just absolute. That was absolute chaos.
That was fun. Ray was like 1,000 feet up.
Oh, I was, because I almost got hit 3 times.
No, Ray's gonna do
I got
it
it.
with his commentary. He'll do it much better than you'll ever do it.
Don't say that, dang it. I'm just going to do a video. Yo. All right, man. I'll see you.
You gotta like get on the runway and be like, he's got nabs.
I got everything.
I got tail.
You got everything you need to fly up in here, y'all.